This was a hacked Snapchat account, and this is after recovering it within 5 minutes. This was a Snapchat account with forgotten email and password. And here is after recovering it. After the long research of my whole day, I came up with 2 working solutions to recover your Snapchat account. Whether your Snapchat account has got hacked and the hacker has changed your email address, password and phone number, or you have forgotten your Snapchat account. You don't remember the email address and you don't remember the password and username or anything about your account. In both cases, the solutions I will propose will work. Just give me your 3 to 5 minutes attention. Don't skip a single second of the video and you will get what is promised in the title of this video. So as I've already mentioned that I will propose 2 solutions. The first solution will work for most of the people, but solution number 2 works for 100% of the people. So let's do this. So first of all, you have to open up your Snapchat application. As your account is forgotten or hacked, so you will be popped up with this login page. So what you have to do is you have to write here the username of the account that was hacked. For example, it is ABC123, just for example. And after that, press this forgot your password button. And as soon as you press this button, you will be popped up with this notification. From here, you have to tap on via phone. On this page, you have to enter the phone number which was associated with your Snapchat account. This trick will work if you have forgotten your Snapchat account, but you remember the phone number which was associated with it. But if your account has got hacked and the hacker has changed your phone number, then you have to go back and again press the forgot your password button. And this time you have to go with the second option in this list, which is via email. If you had no number associated with your Snapchat account, then you have to enter your email for recovering your Snapchat account. A link will be sent to your email. From there, you will be able to recover your Snapchat account. But let's consider that you don't have access to the phone number which was associated with your Snapchat account, and you also don't have access to email, or you don't remember the email, or the hacker has changed the email which was associated with your Snapchat account. So this lets us move to the solution number 2 for recovering your forgotten or hacked Snapchat account. For that purpose, you have to close Snapchat and open any of the browser. It may be Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and write here Snapchat support and hit the search button. And the very first link which appears up, you have to tap on that. And here in the search bar of Snapchat Help Center, you have to write hacked and hit the search button. Now this link which appears up which says my account is compromised. You have to find this link within the list of these and you have to tap on it. For me, it's displaying at number 2. And from here, you have to tap on this link, which is contact support here. Now you have to fill up this form for the recovery of your Snapchat account. So the very first step on this page is you have to tap on this first option, which is I think my account was compromised. And after that, this page will expand and you have to scroll down. Here you have to type in the username of the account which is hacked or forgotten. For example, it is ABC123. And after that, this is the email address which was associated with your Snapchat account, which was changed by the hacker after he has hacked your account. Let me again write, for example, abc123@gmail.com. I'm again telling you that here you have to write the email address which was associated with your Snapchat account to confirm your identity. And after that, you have to write the phone number which was associated with your Snapchat account. And next is the most important thing here. You have to write exactly the same thing I am writing, so watch carefully. So you have to write, hi Snapchat team. I woke up this morning and my Snapchat account was logged out. I tried to log in, but it has been hacked by someone. The hacker has changed my email, phone number and password. You can ask anything from me to confirm my identity, but please help me recover my Snapchat account. I'll be waiting for your favorable response. And after that, let's write a thanks and let me show them that I am sad. And after that, just submit this request and Snapchat team will contact you within 48 hours on the email that you have provided here. and there are maximum chances that your Snapchat account will be recovered in this way. Now, if you want to know that how the hackers hack the Snapchat accounts or how your Snapchat account has got hacked, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.